Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show you some pictures of the bike. I got the lights put on it. Got them all different colors here. I was going to kind of go through them and let you check them out. Super cool. That's the red. Let's see if I can get him to do something here. Here's the remote. Sorry it's so dark. That's red. I'll just kind of go down the colors here for you. That's so cool how it changes. Let's see what else it does here. Oh, here we go. Changes on its own. That's flash, and then here's strobe. And here is fade. You can change the colors too. Well, it actually does it on its own. Oh, okay. This one's called smooth. Just changes on its own. See, I got the remote in my hand, but it does it on its own. Sorry, I'm whispering. Mrs. Cash is sleeping. It has strobes, or strobes. It has neons on both sides. Pretty cool, huh? I just wanted to show them all to you guys and see what you thought of it. There's nine LED lights total. They're real easy on your battery. And it's easier to be seen at night with those on. They are illegal to drive around with them on. Pretty cool though, huh? Just an LED kit I got off of eBay. It's like 60 bucks for them all. I put them all on, had them all attached, and comes with 2 keychains. No, 1 keychain, 1 big remote, and then it's Bluetooth. You can set it up to your phone too, which is cool. That's the reason why I got it, in case I lose the remotes or something. I just wanted to see what you guys thought and get your opinions on them. I know some people don't like them. I think they're really cool, but let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking it out. I know motorcycles aren't everybody's thing, but me and Mrs. Cash really like riding them around and kind of just relaxing. let us know what you think of the neons in the comments. I like them. So, I definitely appreciate all feedback. And, if you give me a comment, I'll make sure to get back to you. So I definitely appreciate you guys. Appreciate you taking the time to let me know. Even if you don't like it, you know, I like to hear what you guys are thinking. So, hey, thanks for coming by, guys. If anybody was wondering, it's a Suzuki Bandit 1200. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. And if you didn't already, if you could subscribe and like the video, that really helps us out. We're trying to build up as many subs as we can. We have like 304, which is like really, really amazing. So, we really appreciate each and every one of you. We really appreciate every comment, even, the bad ones with the good ones. We figure at least somebody took the time to let us know. So thanks again for coming by, everybody. I hope you guys, we're still putting scratch videos on too. But I hope you guys don't mind that I put a couple extra other videos on just to let you see what we were up to. And we'd love to hear what you're up to. So let us know in the comments what you guys are doing to, for any type of fun during quarantining and everything. We're definitely interested. So, hey, thanks, everybody. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.